guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have a new product from 310 to show you guys. Do you want to know what this is all about and what my honest opinion is going to be? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So 310 Nutrition got a hold of me and they asked if I'd be willing to try their new pumpkin spice meal replacement shake. And yes, I love pumpkin spice. As soon as fall comes, it's the first thing that I want is pumpkin spice lattes, pumpkin spice, anything, the smells, everything about fall, I just absolutely love. So they just came out with this seasonal blend. This is the pumpkin spice and I cannot wait to try this and get this in my mouth, honestly. Their new formulas with the new vegan and organic blends are so rich and creamy. They're a way different formula than their older one. So I really, really like their new formula. So I can't wait to try this. They also sent me their orange shaker bottle. Perfect for this time because of Halloween and fall, you guys. This is amazing. So this bottle right here is a big one. And then when you open it up, it does have their logo right there. It does have the top that you drink out of. And then on the inside, it has this little design right here that you pull out, pour your powder and your liquid in there, close it up, and then shake it. That's what helps break everything up and shake it up for you to drink. So I'm really glad that now I have this new orange one that I get to use with my pumpkin spice. This is amazing. So I'm gonna go ahead and try this out and I will give you my real opinion and finalize this with my real thoughts. All right, you guys, so today I'm going to be trying out the new pumpkin spice meal replacement shake. And I'm really excited to try this because I like pumpkin spice. Pumpkin spice is my favorite after peppermint mocha. 1 scoop. And if you want to see what it looks like down inside, that's what it looks like. It has 15 grams of protein, 2 grams of net carbs, 5 grams of fiber, 110 calories, and it has beetroot, turmeric, ginger root, gluten-free, soy-free, all that good stuff right there. So it says to put 1 scoop twice a day with 8 ounces of water or milk or something equivalent. So let's just go ahead and add my water. Put in the tap, put on the lid. Very festive, nice and orange with the pumpkin spice. Feeling very holiday-ish. Okay, make sure your lid is down good and shake. And it says Triplex Protein Blend, the perfect blend of high nutrients, plant-based proteins, peas, brown rice, and pumpkin for the creamiest taste and texture. So for the very first one, I'm just gonna use it with water, and then I will do the other way with the almond milk and then with blending it to tell you what my favorite way to drink this flavor will be. So let's go ahead and try it out. It doesn't smell very appealing with the scent that you can pick up, but it tastes way better than it smells. Luckily, I am picking up the pumpkin spice. This one though, however, I feel like there's a little bit more of the grainy protein powdery aftertaste in this one that the vanilla and the chocolate didn't have, for me anyway. But this still does taste really good. It's nice and creamy even with the water. So I can't wait to try it with my almond milk and see what it does and if it tastes better. But it is doable. I do taste the pumpkin spice. It just has, like I said, that little more of that graininess, but it's a protein shake. You're gonna get that. I don't mind that graininess myself, but so yeah, it's a light pumpkin spicy taste to it. Not too much, not very overpowering. It's just a slight hint of pumpkin and spice. Just don't smell it. Okay, you guys, so today I'm gonna go ahead and make mine with almond milk. This is the one that I have currently because I didn't have the one with vanilla in stock, but I always get the 30. This is the one that I like. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix the new pumpkin spice with it this time. All right, so 1 scoop. Put your top back in where the little loop goes faced up. It's easy to grab. Put your lid on. Make sure it's locked in place, and then we shake. And then tomorrow, I'm going to blend it. It doesn't smell as bad this way. Oh, definitely so much better. It's a lot more creamier, and it just gives it definitely a creamier texture to it. So far, my favorite is this way, but I need to blend it to verify. All right, with almond milk, this is really good. Still the same slight flavor. It's not a whole lot of overpowering. I have a little bit of spiciness going on, but not too much, like a little bit of pumpkin spice, but not too much. Okay, you guys, so today I'm gonna go ahead and use the same pumpkin spice, but I'm going to put it in my blender. I use a Magic Bullet personally myself, but you can use any type of blender. So I'm gonna go ahead and stick my scoop in my cup. So here's my cup, and there's my scoop. I get my almond milk, put some almond milk, and I'm going to fill it with ice, put my lid on. What I normally do is kind of move it around a little bit to kind of break up that big old pocket of powder that ends up being at the end. And then now I blend. You can always add other things like honey or fruit or anything like that. But this being pumpkin spice, I don't really think anything added would taste good. But I want to try just the flavoring, so I'm not adding anything to it for you guys. That is so much better. Oh, and you can taste more of the pumpkin spice this way. That's my favorite. Okay, you guys, so I am back to finalize with my 310 new flavor of the pumpkin spice for this holiday season. My only suggestion, or I don't even think it would be considered a complaint, but my only suggestion that I would say is that it doesn't have enough flavor for me, because I really love pumpkin spice and I was looking forward to like a strong pumpkin spice like flavor, and it's not a strong flavor. You can taste it, yes, it is good, but I was hoping for something a little bit more stronger. So my only suggestion would be a little more flavor, but it is really good. It has that same creamy texture like their new organic blend has. My favorite way to do it is blending it, because it tastes the best and you get the more richer flavor when it's blended, my own personal opinion. Second best would be shaking it with almond milk. The vanilla almond milk ended up being a lot better than the regular almond milk that I had at the time when I did the video. But my regular almond milk tastes so much better that has the actual vanilla in it. But then thirdly would be with the water. Even though it's still good, the almond milk gives it a creamier and a little bit different texture to it, so I like it. Yes, you do have a little bit of that powder, the protein powder taste to it. If that really bothers you, I think that's pretty much with any protein powder. It doesn't bother me unless it has too strong of that aftertaste, and nothing from 310 that I have tried has that really strong protein powder feel, but it does have it because that's what it is. It's a protein powder. So that's what happens. You get used to it. You don't realize it after a while, but it's always good to mix things up and figure out what's the best way. You can add fruits to it. Banana is really good to put in, especially like if you're doing a chocolate. If you put their peanut butter powder like in the vanilla or the chocolate, and then you add in a banana, oh, it's so good. But you can add in your own fruits and anything in there as well. And yeah, so I'm really glad that 310 did send me this, so I get to try out their seasonal blend of the pumpkin spice. Again, I do enjoy it. I love it more when it's blended with my almond milk. So that is what I wanted to tell you guys about the holiday seasonal flavor and my experience and what the best way that I like to enjoy this specific blend. And yeah, so you guys comment down below. Let me know, what do you think of 310 products if you've ever tried any? What do you think of protein shake meal replacement shakes if you've tried any? What are your pros and cons with them? Let me know all the details down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.